You need some lighting for your Harley Davidson? Check out Eagle Lights. There'll be a description below for all your lighting needs. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to add some more lights to my 2021 Road Glide Limited. Another set of lights that I got from Eagle Lights. Great company out of Connecticut. 100% guarantee. You have any issues, contact them. They'll fix the problem or send you some new lights. I've been working with them for a little bit here and haven't had really any issues. I only had to send back one set and because they were miswired, and they sent a new set right out to me right away. So check them out. Before we get into this, you know what to do. Hit all those buttons. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Hit that thumbs up and hit that notification button so you're aware when my videos come out. So let's get to it. Let me show you what I got today. All right. Part number WSL1B Halo LED Windshield Lights. Yes. You know the brackets that hold your windshield on the Road Glide. These will replace those little mounts. And like always, you need instructions. There's the QR code. Look it up. But these are very straightforward. All right, so let's open these up. All right, you got a little bag of zip ties and some more of those sticky mounts for your zip ties. Okay. They give you some replacement screws with some washers. I don't know. We'll see. They look a little shorter than the original, so I don't know. I might still use the originals. We'll have to see. And then your two lights. Okay. Be like that. Already come wired, and it has your splitter already plugged in. Very straightforward. Take over to the bike and show you what we need to do. The first thing that we need to do is take out the two bolts on each side of your windshield here. And you need a quarter inch. You need an 1/8 Allen. Just take those out. I want to show you something right here. So here's the screw that came with the new lights. Can you see? And here's my original OEM. I think I'm still going to use the original screws. They're longer. So when I add the lights, it's going to be even thicker. So I don't think these ones are going to work. So I'm going to stay with the original stock screws. All right, so I got the one side off. So next is just taking off this side. And for, wearing gloves, because guess what? Last week of March here, or well, in the last week of March, and it's cold. Windshield off. Okay. Next thing you need to do is just stick your hand underneath this plastic piece here, and all you need to do is just pop it up. There you go. Take that out. Okay, the next thing you want to do is unplug your signals from here. Okay. Same on the other side. And of course, I have multiple lights plugged in already. But this is where you want to unplug from. All right. The next thing you want to do is plug these in and test them out. A little cold, so some things aren't plugging in as good. Okay. Now let me set the zoom back here. Okay. All right. So they work. You'll want to tuck all your wiring in, and you want to be careful of not getting them in the way of putting your cover back on, and it because it snaps into here. So you will want to, and you'll need your wire running along the backside, and you'll want to tuck it under here. All right. I'm gonna play around with this here and do some wire management. Okay, I have the lights hanging off. I have them plugged in, wired in. I got the plugs down here. I have them tucked in right here, hanging off. Next thing we gotta do is put our cover back on. This might be a little difficult here. So, because this slides in tucks in the back, plus got to make sure there ain't nothing in the way. Okay. Wire in there. Okay. There. Okay. Okay. There. Next is going to be the windshield. Now set your windshield up here. Okay. Might have to work on this one at a time here. This is a little difficult working on this by yourself. So, okay. Well, I got that one side on. Let's check out this, try to get this other one on here. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. All right, I got everything put back on. Let's see what the lights look like. If you see a little flicker on, that's just the camera. They're not flickering. So your regular driving lights, or daytime running lights. signal. And I already ran the resync, so the lower cowl lights, they do not sync up quite right with the rest of them, but all the other lights are synced. Okay? Left signal. All right. Okay, that's my install video for the Eagle Lights Halo windshield lights for my 2021 Road Glide Limited. Pretty easy install. The hardest part was it's because it's cold today, so the wiring was a little bit stiff, a little hard to do a little wire management in this cold weather, but I probably should have waited till I got a little warmer. Another thing is trying to put this windshield on with the lights and by yourself. You know, I could usually put the windshield on by myself with the, you know, the stock brackets there, windshield brackets, but with the lights and trying to get the lights to line up and the holes to line up with it was a little hard by yourself. So I suggest, you know, at that stage, have somebody else help hold the windshield for you while you're putting the lights on. I did it. Looks good. Just leave in the comments below what you think. Eagle Lights. Link in the description below. Use my link, you get 15% off your entire order. And I'll leave a direct link to these lights, these exact lights in the description below also. So if you're interested, take a look. They got a lot of different types of lights in there. Pretty much right now, that's all I'm running is Eagle Lights right now. Everything I have on here is Eagle Lights. Yep, all of them. Every light on this bike is replaced right now. Like I said, just leave a comment below. What do you think? And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.